There are many reasons people come to We Grow Hair Indy to grow their hair back.
I wasn't comfortable going bald.
I did want to see myself looking a bit better in pictures.
My father was bald, my grandfather was bald, and by the time I was about 22, I was starting to lose my hair.
I wanted my hair back, and We Grow Hair Indy could do that.
No matter what the reason for your hair loss, we're here to help. For over 20 years, we've been restoring hair for men and women with every type of hair loss and every ethnicity.
After having my procedure done at We Grow Hair Indy, I'm happy. I'm confident. I feel sexy. Can I say that?
My only regret really is that I wish I had done it sooner.
And We Grow Hair Indy is a company that you can trust.
Technology was great. So far, the results have been amazing.
It's just really nice to not have to worry about how my hair looks.
Call now for your free evaluation. 888-724-5129 or go to wegrowhairindy.com and grow your hair back.